Hey guys, this is Oscar here again from Cubicle Ninja, and today I'm gonna go over and continue with this series of tutorial that I'm having with you guys to that group with regards to lead magnet on how you can create a lead magnet inside the Builderall platform so you can be able to collect email lists using the lead magnet itself. Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna go over inside the platform and I'm showing you how you can get started. Yes, there you go. So, as I've mentioned before, you guys, you can literally have a lead magnet that is already done for you inside the Builderall platform. And from here, you can able to, choose which niche that you want to have or use, as your lead magnet. And I also explained to you about where you can get your freebies or the lead magnet book, or it could be software, or it could be, any type of format that you want to give away. It could be software as well, or it could be video that you can give away to your target audience. So, without further ado, we're just gonna do that. The first thing you need to do, of course, is to download the funnel. And in this case, I wanted to have this ebook that I want to use, as for my target audience as affiliate marketer. And since RPM is one way to sell the sales funnel to affiliate marketers so they can be able to sell the RPM sales funnels product to their clients. So that's is the reason why I choose this lead magnet. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm going to replace the content that was here and the images that was here that has something to do to the product that I'm going to give it away from them, which is I'm gonna go over here and check these free ebooks, and from here I wanna have this as my freebies or the lead magnet book that I want to give away to my target audience. So in this case, I'm gonna have to grab this image, download it in my computer so I can replace the one that was here, and also the content that I want to grab here to replace the content that was in this default settings that they have inside the Builderall platform. So in order to do that, let's jump in and download the funnel first. Okay, so in order to do that, click that button, and once you click that button, just click the confirm button and it will go to your dashboard inside the Builderall platform. So go to the site. Actually, I have a lot already here, so I've been testing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this first, okay, because that's the one I did test earlier. So I want to have this. This is the one that we just download, and the thing you just need to do is publish it. Okay, publish them, and it will go to the top. You don't want to add any domain name yet, so we skip to that. We just close it and go and check the lead magnet pages first. Okay, so edit that button. As you can see, there is 3 pages. One is the home, which is the opt-in page. pending page, which is the confirmation page, and the thank you page, which is where your audience will download the ebook. Okay, so we're gonna go over in there, edit them. Bear with me because my internet connection is a little slow. So basically, I just want to change this and replace, of course, because I want, the content that has something to do to what I'm giving away. So I'm gonna take that out. This is how easy it is when you are kind of like wanted to edit inside the Builderall Cheetah Builder. Okay, there you go. Just I want to grab the content first here. Okay, copy this and replace what we have here. Click that button. Kind of like, yeah, it's a little slow. Just please bear with me now. I have it. And what I'm going to do is paste that content. Okay. And I have to just, resize the fonts. Of course, I think it's way too big. Let's say 25. There you go. Okay, so there's a little issue here. We just kind of like wanted to replace it, and bam. Okay, so that's it. This is the, don't forget to always save whatever you're doing here, because sometimes you never know, the internet will crash, and you have to do it over and over again. So the way I do it inside the Builderall is I have to save it, from time to time. Save it. And another thing that you need to replace is the image, because this is not the one we wanted to sell. So I made a copy of the image, which is the product that I want to give away, which is the attraction marketing. And you just need to resize them. There you go. Okay, so basically you've done this part already, the first page. Save it. Okay, and save it one more time just to make sure it really save the entire, okay, you saved the entire thingy. Okay, let's go and check the actual website itself. There you go. Okay, so basically you've replaced the content, and this is what I'm selling here, or what I am trying to give away to my target audience. The lead ebook, lead magnet that I'm giving away. So the next thing what I'm going to do is, of course, go to the next page, which is the confirmation page. I've mentioned this already before. So this is kind of like for your audience to go to their email and confirm that you really wanted to subscribe to that lead magnet, and they can able to access the download that this lead magnet will send them to them into their email account. Okay, so basically, of course, we need to replace this, and instead of that title, we're going to replace it because we're not having these 6 pillars to success as an affiliate. What we are giving away is the attraction marketing. Okay, so that's what we're going to replace from this content. You see how it's easy, right? You don't need to work really hard on this. Okay, so it's kind of like a copy and paste thingy. Okay, so that's basically is. See, that is the product that I'm selling or I'm giving away actually. So I want to resize them again because it's way too big. Uh, 35 would be okay, I think. Yeah, there you go. So again, uh, as you can see, the content is already made and done for you by Builderall. You don't need to worry about things that you need to say. And again, you have to replace the image. I'm gonna have this and resize them basically. There you go. Just make sure it will fit to the entire, you know, there you go. So, uh, attention, your copy of attraction marketing to bring people success as an affiliate is almost ready. Okay, so that's it. You just sent an email to confirm your email address link. Please click on the link, copy immediately uh, before they release the download button, okay? Or the download page. So save it and we'll check it out if it really saved. And this is going to be the second page, right? The confirmation. All right. So let's get out of there. Oh, sorry. I'm going to close it. And let's check the actual page. There you go. Voila. So you got the, replace the content, that is appropriate or, related to the product that you're giving away. And of course, we're going to do the last part, which is the thank you page where they can download the ebook, okay, through your lead magnet. So just bear with me again. So here, of course, again, we're gonna have to replace the title because that is not the one that you're giving away. And so it's really easy to, just, it won't take long to do this. I mean, even your grandma or your grade schooler can do this literally. It's a drag and drop template. This is the reason why, I want to have, to share value to that group, the for those of you who are using the RPM system, right? That it's not only the RPM system that you can, ways how you can create an income online inside the Builderall platform. It is also, there's a lot of ways that you can, create a stream of income inside the Builderall platform. You can create your own web design agency as well, which is that's what we're doing to our client. Okay, so here another thing is the, of course, the image that we need to replace. Click this button here, save it. There you go. So this is what is the lead magnet for. Kind of like giving them a value in exchange of their, email information that eventually you can sell them whatever type of services that you're offering or business that you want to sell to them. and also creating a trust, some kind of a connection to your targeted audience. Okay, so we're here, and you might gonna ask me how you can have the download or the ebook, how they can download the ebook itself. So basically what you need to do is click this button here, and in the set link, okay, I download this ebook already. So I'll give you an example here. Okay, so I'm just gonna download it. So it's under the zip format, and let's check that out under download. There you go, it's right there. So it's easy. Once you get here, okay, I'm gonna go over again. So click this button here, click the set link, and under the set link, click this download. Okay, and that is where you're going to grab your file, which is the one that we just downloaded, with this the attraction marketing PLR. And once it's upload here, hang on, click this button, save it, and there you go, it's already in there. So it's literally saved. And once your audience or anyone who subscribe or opt in into your lead magnet, what happened is, we're gonna check that out. Okay, save it one more time. What happened? Save, and then we're gonna go to the actual live site. Okay, let's go and check the thank you page or the download page. Go to the website. So once they get here, if they click this button, bam, see, as you can see, the zip folder or the ebook will be in their computer or in their files. Okay, so basically, you give them the value, and in exchange of that, they give you their email information. And in that case, you kind of like have a connection that you can always send them a newsletter about the services that you're offering, the free services that you're offering, and also anything that you want to sell to them eventually. So that's basically, how things work when you are creating a lead magnet or email list, inside the lead magnet that you create, and it's already